Hey guys, I just thought I'd show you what I'm having for dinner tonight. I am having, hold on, I'll be right back. I am having Alfredo, and I'll show you what it is. I went to, it's a place like Aldi's, and I got this stuff. No, I am not sponsored, but fettuccine Alfredo. And I put it in my cooler. Of course, they come frozen, but I put it in my cooler and thawed it out. And yummy. Yeah, yummy. It's probably done, but I need a hot meal. Been having sandwiches and stuff. Mmm, tastes good. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low. I don't mind if it's a little crunchy though. I like burnt stuff. That's my thing. But yeah, it's just a couple days till Christmas. It's Friday now. I think Christmas is on Wednesday. And so just hanging out. Just hanging out. I think we're going to go try and find a campground tomorrow, a national forest campground. So we want to have a camping Christmas. I think that'd be great. We used to do it all the time at Disney, but some people think that's fake camping, but we still put up a tent and everything, and we put the lights around all the poles for the tents, and it looks so cute. And then we would walk through the campground and look at all the lights that was on the camper. But I don't think there's going to be too much of that now because we're going a dispersed camping. So there's going to be, the only thing they provide us with is a fire pit. So that's about it. Oh, God. Okay, had to readjust. Um, hmm. Oh, I didn't show you what my brother gave me. He bought me my Christmas tree this year, or he made me my Christmas tree this year. And it, this is what he made me. I don't know if I showed it or not. Crap. I don't know if I showed it or not before, but there's my tree. Thanks, Dave. I love you very much. Okay, I'll put it back where it goes. And, so anyway, this is a short video to let you know why I'm cooking. And I'm going to try something I've never tried before, but I thought, it might work. And it involves cinnamon rolls. Those things you hit on the counter and it pops open and you bake them. Well, I don't have an oven, but I'm gonna see if it'll work another way. So that comes next. So I'll be back. I'll be back. I said I'd be back. Hey, pay attention. Oh my God. Okay, my experiment is getting cinnamon rolls. I tried to beat it to death to get it to pop, but it wouldn't pop. So I had to take I tried my fork. That didn't work. So what did I use? I used an arrow from my, what's that called? Oh, the thing that shoots bow and arrows, but it's a gun. I can't remember the name of it. But what I did, opened it up, and now I've got these cooking. I sprayed it with butter cooking spray, and we're just gonna see how this goes. I'm hoping it'll go good because I would love to have this with some bacon and eggs for Christmas morning. Ooh, ah. So I think it'll be good. So I'll be back and show you how it's going. Let's check them. I had to flip them once. Now they look burnt, but that's not. That's just the butter. And I flipped them once. Oh my God, they look good. They smell wonderful too. Oh my God. But I turned the flame as low as I possibly could without it going out to give it more of a oven effect and a frying effect, if that makes any sense to you guys. I'm just trying to find some stuff that is a double purpose. If you get frozen stuff out of the freezer and put it in your cooler, I bought the Alfredo yesterday afternoon. It just got thawed out tonight. So I didn't have to put any ice in my cooler last night because of all the frozen stuff, and it kept my hummus really good. It kept my cheeses good. It kept the turkey good, and the cinnamon rolls. So uh, that's like a dual purpose right there. They're starting to puff up. That's awesome. So I'm really hoping these turn out good. Anyway, it'll be more for people who want to cook, but, maybe not have the money to cook, because these little meals right here were only 90 cents. Well, I was hungry, so I bought two. But still, $2 for a meal. And if you have any bread or chips to go with it, that would be awesome. And I think these were $1.79 or something, but I'm sure you can get it cheaper, or a different kind. I want to go to a regular store and get the hey, enough. I know they just parked next to us. Thank you. Um, the orange icing buns. Oh my God, those are so good. That might be good here. So let's see. Are they getting puffy? Nope, they're still gooey. May take a while, but that's okay. That's good. So anyway, I will let you go now, and I'll be back with either a yay or a nay for my cinnamon rolls. So I'll be back. Oh, Lord in heaven. Hey there. Good. Hey there. Um, anyway, so the cinnamon rolls, they turned out all right. They cooked all right, but um, it was either an off-brand, or I used a butter cooking spray. I don't think I'm going to do that again because I don't like that. So, but they will work. They will work on a low heat, and you can fry them, and they'll turn out just great. But get the name brand if you want, or a brand if you like have Publix brand or, Winn-Dixie brand or whatever. But try it that way, and it'll turn out pretty good. So, anyway, I got a couple more things to put up today. The video, we went to find a campsite. So, that's it for this one, because I don't want it to be too long. So, take it easy. Take a long way home.